So I have this storm drain here. A couple weeks ago during a rainstorm, we had a small lake over here. But it's draining, but really slow. And it can't even keep up with the hose. I just put a hose in here and it's backing up. I'll go to the other end. You can see that's draining, but just not draining very much. I'm gonna kind of have a makeshift hydrojet. I bought a nozzle off of Amazon that goes in a pressure washer. It's a 6 reverse jets, 1 forward jet. I'm hoping it's just dirt and wood chip and just debris, and it's not clogged up with roots and what have you, but we'll see. During that last rainfall, I tried pushing a running hose through the pipe in hopes to clear it, but it only went about 25 feet before it stopped. So here's the other side here. You can see down in there, maybe. It is draining. It's not fast enough to keep up with the hose. So I have this 6 reverse jets, 1 forward jet. We're gonna try run that through there. This is a 2800 psi, 3 gallon per minute pressure washer, gas powered. I have an electric one too, but it doesn't have near the output on the jet. I'll show you a quick video of that, the output difference of the two. So we're going to try this hydrojet nozzle on a couple different pressure washers. The first one's a Greenworks Pro 2300 psi, 2.3 gallon per minute. And the other one's this dewalt 2800 psi, 3 gallon per minute. This one's dewalt's a gas power. The Greenworks is electric. So we'll see how it works on a hydrojet nozzle. And here's kind of set up right here. Just having it set up here. So the not so fun part about this is getting the 125 foot pressure line all spooled out, since I don't have a proper spool. But let's go. So this end here has a quick disconnect on it. I really don't want it to quick disconnect in the pipe, so I was gonna get some tape around here a little bit to stop that from happening. That should do it. Okay. Now it's time to try it out, see if this works. Before you get it started, get it in the pipe a little ways. That's about a foot. Alright. Okay, we're going to turn on the water. Okay, the water's on now. I'm going to turn on the pressure washer. Alright, let's see what happens. The outlet where I'm starting the hydrojet is about 100 feet away from the inlet where it's backing up at. So this hydrojet line pretty much feeding itself in, just giving it a little extra push to move along faster. Really hoping this works, because the other option is renting an auger. If the auger doesn't work, we're gonna have to dig up the line and repair it that way. This last 10 feet or so, I have to give it a bit of a push. It's not wanting to go forward anymore. There you go. I hit something, a bunch of dirt came out. Really flushing fast now. Must have hit the clog. So yeah, it's cleared now. I had probably 100 gallons of water kind of pooled up here for the test. The hose is running full blast. And it's not backing up anymore. So it got it. Alright, we're gonna take the hose out now. We'll kind of go slow in case of some rocks is pulling out. There, we're at the end of the hose. Now I gotta coil up that twisted mess. I really need a spool. That worked really well. Alright, so it's cleared now. It's full flow with the hose, not backing up anymore. We saw the big glurk of crap come out using the hydrojet. So now we're ready for the next storm. Back on with the little grate here. What I need to do is get a much larger one. This gets plugged up with all this gunk, and that's what happened. Pop that off and clog up your pipe. Kind of made this makeshift thing for right now to help filter out some of the big stuff. Alright, that worked out really well. Cleared that clog right up. Definitely worth it. Beats digging up the pipe or trying to run an auger line that could probably beat up that pipe pretty good because it's really thin wall drainage pipe. So definitely something to have in the collection of tools.